Welcome to channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of 3D printing. Whether you're a hobbyist, an educator, or a professional, choosing the right 3D printer is crucial. Stick around as we unveil the top 3D printers of 2024 that are making waves in the industry. Number 5. Creality K1. The ingenuity and accuracy of 3D printing are demonstrated by the Creality K1. Strong functionality, a wide range of applications, and excellent print quality are all combined in the Creality K1. It is designed to provide experts, producers, and artists more power. You may let your imagination run wild with the broad build volume of the Creality K1. The K1 provides enough space for your projects, whether you're creating useful components, experimenting with art, or prototyping. The high-resolution capabilities of the K1 allow you to get stunning detail in your prints. Your 3D printing will be of the finest caliber thanks to the accurate rendering of delicate textures and intricate patterns. The strong frame architecture of the Creality K1 offers durability and stability throughout the printing process. This guarantees reliable and consistent results throughout time. The K1 offers a silent and inconspicuous printing experience thanks to its silent stepper motor drivers. Whether printing at home or in a professional setting, the low noise level makes operating more convenient. Use the intuitive touchscreen interface to swiftly navigate through your printing options. The K1 makes printing easier and more approachable for both new and seasoned users. The K1's auto bed leveling feature makes it possible to attain the best possible first layer adhesion. By ensuring a uniform and smooth printing surface, this reduces the need for human corrections and raises the success rate of prints. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. For those seeking portability and accuracy, amateurs, hobbyists, and professionals can consider the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact yet powerful 3D printer. Because of its small size, the A1 Mini is a perfect option for people who have limited space. This feature-rich printer is designed to maintain easy-to-use functionality while producing prints of outstanding quality. Its compact design doesn't compromise performance, so you can still enjoy high-quality 3D printing without taking up extra room. The high-resolution printing capabilities of the A1 Mini allow you to see fine details and smooth surfaces. Whether you're printing useful parts, intricate models, or prototypes, this printer produces accuracy with each layer. The A1 Mini's user-friendly interface makes 3D printing more efficient. The printer's user-friendly controls and straightforward setup allow even inexperienced users to operate with ease. Because of its sturdy construction and enhanced stability during printing, the A1 Mini is made to last. Print after print, this guarantees trustworthy and consistent results. With a range of filament materials that the A1 Mini supports, you can try out numerous options for your creations. Change the printer to suit your specific printing needs, whether it is flexible TPU or standard PLA. With the A1 Mini, you may enjoy a quiet printing environment. You may focus on your job without being distracted by background noise thanks to its quiet operation. You can save time and work by using the auto bed leveling feature of the A1 Mini. You may get outstanding bed adhesion and print uniformity with wireless connectivity options, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. With the A1 Mini, you can monitor and manage your prints from a distance, which gives you greater flexibility in your workflow. Emphasize the print speed and maximum print volume capacity of the printer. For users who wish to optimize their workflow and produce larger prints, this information is essential. Mention if multi-material printing is supported by the A1 Mini. It increases the number of applications by allowing users to test many materials in a single print process. To control temperature and reduce the chance of warping, an enclosed build chamber comes in handy, particularly when working with specific filament materials. If this function is available for the A1 Mini, highlight how straightforward it is to use. Stress how convenient the touchscreen interface of the printer is for the user if it has one. Touchscreens offer a more intuitive control experience and facilitate setting navigation. Mention how the A1 Mini's open-source design and compatibility with third-party slicing applications allow users to select the tools that best fit their needs. Provide details on the customer support offered by the manufacturer and mention if there's a community or forum where users can exchange stories and troubleshooting tips. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast. One example of a low-cost, high-performing 3D printer is the Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast. This 3D printer offers exceptional accuracy, versatility, and user-friendliness, making it suitable for novices as well as experienced users. With a high printing volume, you may unleash your creativity and realize your most ambitious ideas. There is plenty space on the Ender 3 V3 Southeast to print a wide range of designs. Stability and longevity are increased by the strong frame structure and V-slot profile. Bid farewell to loud 3D printing sessions. Silent stepper motor drivers are a feature of the Ender 3 V3 Southeast that lower noise levels and offer a quieter printing experience without compromising functionality. Power outages won't ever again cause your prints to be disrupted. The resume printing feature ensures that your projects are successfully completed by allowing the printer to continue where it left off. It is easy to remove finished prints thanks to the build surface's flexibility and detachable nature. This invention facilitates not only the removal of prints but also the leveling and maintenance of beds. For those who are unfamiliar with 3D printing, the Ender 3 V3 Southeast is a fantastic option because it is simple to assemble. You'll quickly print your masterpieces if you follow the detailed instructions. Smoother and more consistent prints are produced by the better extrusion and filament control offered by the updated Hotend and Bowden extruder. Customizing your printing experience is made simple with the easy-to-use touchscreen interface, which offers intuitive control over the printer's settings. A 3D printing marvel, the Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast offers enthusiasts and experts alike an unmatched blend of accuracy, stability, and cost. This feature-rich 3D printer allows you to explore a world of limitless creativity. The carbon glass bed of the Ender 3 V3 Southeast is renowned for its exceptional adhesive qualities and rapid heating capabilities. Bid farewell to distorted prints and welcome to a reliable, superior printing surface. More material compatibility and better filament management are offered by the direct drive extruder. Extrusion is now more accurate and dependable thanks to this advancement, particularly when working with flexible filaments. A calm printing environment is provided by the silent stepper motors of the TMC 2208. The Ender 3 V3 Southeast is a wonderful option for home and office contexts because these drivers significantly reduce noise when operating. The BL Touch auto bed leveling sensor that is incorporated makes sure that the first layers are always precise. By ensuring that the print bed is precisely level, this feature reduces the need for manual adjustments and raises the success rates of prints. There are no longer any power outages. The Ender 3 V3 Southeast can save time and filament by continuing printing from the last recorded position in the case of an unexpected stoppage. The integrated toolbox, which conveniently contains essential tools and accessories needed for maintenance and adjustments, will help you keep your workspace organized. This well-considered design feature enhances the printer's usability because the two cooling fans ensure constant temperatures throughout lengthy printing sessions and effectively dissipate heat from the hotend. Improved print quality is achieved. You can stay current with the newest features and enhancements by updating your firmware. Because the Ender 3 V3 Southeast is open source, users can take advantage of ongoing community-driven updates. Become a part of the active and encouraging Ender 3 user community. To enhance your printing process and resolve any problems that may emerge, take advantage of forums, tutorials, and a wealth of collective experiences. Number 2, Anycubic Photon Mono M5s. We are delighted with Anycubic's newest resin 3D printer because it has auto bed leveling, fast speed, and amazing resolution. Indeed, the X-axis has 11,530 pixels. Anycubic claims that its average print speed of 105 mm/hour is 3 times faster than that of ordinary printers. During testing, the machine produced a 3.5-inch tall figure in roughly an hour. It's the first self-leveling resin printer we've seen, and it uses a combination of hidden springs and sensors to determine its own level. This is a really great feature, as anyone who has ever set up a resin printer with just an Allen key and some paper knows. Anycubic has developed a new ultra-thin high-speed resin to go along with this printer. Amazingly fast prints can be achieved even with standard resin because to the special release film attached to the vast bottom. The film will only last roughly 30,000 layers, not as long as regular FEP due to its fragility. Considering that my rocket test print contains 1742 layers, 6 testing cycles may have consumed up to 1/3 of the film's usable capacity. The newly released film, according to Anycubic, will retail for $42 and come pre-mounted on a frame that is simple to assemble. If you were to switch back to less expensive films, printing would need to happen more slowly and at a less frantic pace. The Photon Mono M5s is a resin printer that is mid-size and comes in the usual Anycubic color scheme of black and gold. Number 1, Sovol SV07. The Sovol SV07 is a state-of-the-art 3D printer that offers incredible printing experiences by fusing user-friendly features with precise engineering. With its potent capabilities, this printer, designed for both enthusiasts and pros, aims to expand the boundaries of creation. Due to its massive build volume, the Sovol SV07 can produce large, intricate 3D prints. The SV07's large build area can support a variety of printing needs, be it for creative endeavors, functional part creation, or prototyping. Better print quality and more filament control are offered by direct drive extrusion technology. This design is suitable for a variety of filament types, including flexible materials, because it enables more accurate and consistent filament feeding. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best 3D printers of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.